Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution, you have make sure Hi Siri is set up correctly. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on Siri and search. So you have listen for Siri, press home for Siri. Is turn on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone while Siri is not working on iPhone. So you have restart your iPhone. Simple way, you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have disconnect AirPods or Beats earbuds while not using them from Apple supports. So then for example, you have AirPods second generation, third generation and AirPods Pro and Max. While you have connected on your iPhone, so you have must be disconnected while not using on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have check Siri languages. So you have open the setting and then you have check the Siri language from here. So then you have languages, click then English United Kingdom or United States. You have select you when you have want on your iPhone. So then you have change from here Siri languages. Then fifth solution, you have turned off low power mode. So you have click on battery and then you have turned off. I have already turned off low power boot battery, low power mode. So then you have must be turned off while you have facing this issue. Then sixth solution, you have disable and re-enable Siri. So you have turn off and turn on Siri search. So you have listen and press home. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have open again setting, click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.